The optical scanners rapidly assess the surface quality, ensuring only the finest pineapples move on to juice production. Utilizing high-precision blades, the automated system rapidly cores and peels the pineapples, minimizing waste before the pressing stage.
The hydraulic press applies tons of pressure, separating the golden juice from the fibrous pulp. Under high pressure, the vibrant juice begins its journey through the intricate maze of pipes to the sterilization vats.
Then some. The multi-stage filtration units are essential, as the raw juice is rapidly processed, removing all solids
To achieve this level of clarity, the pineapple juice undergoes a high-pressure microfiltration process before reaching the vats.
Improved pineapple juice redirected toward pasteurization systems.
To ensure peak freshness, the pasteurized juice is rapidly cooled and stabilized by this massive industrial machinery.
In this state-of-the-art facility, massive food processing machinery handles thousands of pineapples an hour.
High above the factory floor, these stainless steel arteries carry the lifeblood of our operation.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle is filled to perfection, locking in the vibrant flavor. Running at full capacity, this continuous bottling line processes thousands of liters of golden pineapple juice.
A mesmerizing display of precision engineering as hundreds of bottles of golden pineapple
This facility coordinates the global distribution of pineapple juice, utilizing advanced logistics to move. The massive sealing units precisely apply a spurt of hot adhesive, rapidly closing the little juice cartons. The pallets are meticulously wrapped and labeled, ensuring efficient tracking within the automated warehouse system.